These are so good.
Hey, baby Jack, what you doing?
I'm eating Nom Nom cookies.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Thanks, baby Jack, for giving me one of these Nom Nom cookies.
Yeah, they're so good.
You're right. They're really, really delicious.
Cookies.
Jack, do you want to go play?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna leave our cookies here.
Yeah, come on, let's go play.
Yeah, come on.
Nom nom.
Here you go, Jack, 0 to 1. Coming back. Here it comes.
I want to take a break. Let's go get some of our Nom Nom cookies.
You want another Nom Nom cookie, baby Jack?
Yes, I do.
That sounds good to me, too. Let's go put our toys away and let's go get another one.
Okay.
Okay, now let's have a delicious Nom Nom cookie.
Okay, hand them out.
Well, I don't have them. Remember, you set them right down here.
Oh, yeah. Where did they go?
It looks like they're gone.
It looks like someone stole them.
You know what that means? We need to use our superpowers and track them down.
Yeah.
Oh man, it looks like Jack is already on the move. I better go as fast as I can and catch him. Baby Jack, thank goodness I found you. What are you looking at?
This Nom Nom cookies.
It looks like a trail of crumbs. Maybe we can follow them and see where they lead.
Yeah, let's go.
Cookies.
Jack, look.
That guy stole my cookies.
Let's go get him.
Ooh, it's time for another cookie.
Hey, sir! It looks like you messed with the wrong superheroes. Give us our cookies back.
Nah.
Guys, put your hands behind your back.
Give me my cookies back.
No, because we're a superhero to arrest that guy.
Yeah. Thank goodness we got our Nom Nom cookies back. Parents at home, do you think this guy is going to go to jail? Or do you think he should stay out of jail? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and subscribe right down here in the bottom corner. And also to subscribe to our new channel with the OH icon right up here. Bye!
Yes, that was it.
Give me my cookies back.
No!
Hey, I got an itch right here. You take those. Now I just gotta put on the Gru mask and steal that diamond. Let's go. Oh no, that's not good. Bullets are brought. He tied me up and he took that diamond. I can't believe those cake cops decided to pick Gru's side. Ugh. Now I gotta figure out a way to get out of jail and get that diamond. Ah, yes, I know what I'll do. It's about lunchtime, and when lunchtime comes around, they're gonna ask Gru to watch me. And when he watches me, he won't pay attention and we'll do the switcheroo. It'll be perfect. I'll get the diamond back and escape forever. I love the engineering family. They're my favorite YouTube channel. Oh, they're so funny.
Hey there, girl!
Hi there, Gru.
Hello there.
Hey, Gru, it's time for our lunch break. Will you watch over the jail for us while we're gone?
Absolutely. I can do that.
Thanks, Gru. Bye.
Lunch.
That smells good.
Hey, look, what do you know? It looks like this is my chance. Hey, Officer Gru!
Yes, what do you need?
I need you to, come a little bit closer.
Hey, what are you doing? You can't do that. Stop that. Stop. You stop that.
Now I just gotta put on the Gru mask and steal that diamond.
Let's go. Oh no, that's not good. Bull's a brat. He tied me up and he took that diamond. Oh no, this is not good at all. Not good. Oh, I got to get that diamond back because the kid cops are gonna get really mad.
Wow, that was a good lunch. Maybe we should head back to the jail so Gru can have one too.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Gru's probably really hungry, right?
Right, after he's been watching the prisoners all day. Hey,
Yep.
Look over there.
What in the world is Gru doing here?
Wait a minute. If Gru's here, who's at the station watching all the prisoners?
Yeah, good point.
Let's go find out.
Yeah.
Help me, somebody help me.
What happened, Gru? What happened, Gru?
Bull's a brat. He took the diamond and ran off with it.
That must be the guy we saw at the park. Yeah, we'll take care of you.
Come on, guys, we have to work fast.
Yeah, let's go catch that bad guy.
Okay, yeah, you guys go get them. Get them. Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait, come back and help me. You forgot to get me. Oh, no. Oh, well. Looks like I'm going to be tied up for a little while. You get it? Oh, that's a bad joke.
Okay, so we gotta go try to find Brett. I think we should go that way.
Oh, good. I think I lost him. Now I can get rid of this silly mask.
Oh, this is so much better. My diamond. It's all mine.
Hey, do you see what I see?
Hey, that's Brett.
It sure is. Let's go get him. Hey, Brett, stop right there.
Oh, they're on to me. I better get out of here.
Hey, he said he's in the playground. Let's chase him on foot. Okay.
Come on. Get back here.
Get back here.
Get back here.
Let's get him. Let's get him. He's coming. When he comes, we're gonna climb up on here and catch him.
I'll be the lookout.
I think I lost him. Ooh, there's a perfect spot to hide. Haha, they'll never find me in there.
Here he comes.
Let's trap him. Yeah, that's a great plan.
Hey, yes, the Brett. We got you.
Hey, you're going to jail for a long time, and you're not getting away this time, right, assistant? Right, you stole the diamond. And
Stole the diamond. And
you
insane.
Gru.
What proof do you have?
You say
This
Well-
mask that you're holding?
I found these on the ground.
And you're holding a diamond.
Oh, yeah, well, that just looks bad.
Hey, you're going to jail.
Jail?
Yeah. People at home, how long do you think Brat should stay there?
I think for 30 years.
His whole life.
How long is that?
Like when you're 18,000 years.
Wow. Oh, no.
People at home, tell us in the comments, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, plus on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and subscribe right down here in the bottom corner. Bye. Come
Hey,
on.
what you got right there?
Click on the video above to watch more Little Heroes.